Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahfuzul Islam. Welcome to cybersecurity tutorial. Today we are discussing our first session. In this session, we will learn about the following things. What is security risk, threat vectors, and its detail like email, social media site, web applications, mobile devices, and network. Actually, the cybersecurity is an integrated term which has many branches. So uh, we can say in a short, cybersecurity means protect your data, information, application, network, systems from unauthorized access, destruction, or change. So before going to more detail, we have to know about security risks. So here is a definition uh, of security threat. The threat is a risk where any malicious activity may occur anytime, such as data or information stealing, unauthorized system access, etc. Here I am showing a scenario like when we put our credential for logging into our email or Facebook or another reels using internet, any intruder or any unauthorized person or middleman can grab your credentials for hacking your system or applications. This is called cyber security threat or cyber attack. So many cyber attack is happening due to some vulnerabilities. So we will discuss more later on the vulnerabilities areas. Now, threat vectors. It means the path by which a cyber criminal gains access through some common routes into your system. So the routes are email, social media sites, web applications, mobile devices, and network. So there are five common routes for gaining access of a cyber criminal. Now, email. So most of the time we're using public web mail services like Gmail, Yahoo, Soho Mail, or Outlook web service or another else. So this type of web mail services is a most of the common path of for a attacker. Now the social media sites. Most of the attacks are happening by social media sites. Actually, all of you are concerned about the social media sites, like especially Facebook. So we are showing so many news on Facebook hacking. So McAfee says 22% of social media users have fallen victim to a security related incident. So it's McAfee says. Now web applications. Serious weaknesses or vulnerabilities allow criminals to gain direct and public access to databases in order to churn sensitive data. This is known as a web application attack. Actually, in a in the back end of our web application, there is a database, and we have very important or valuable data or information on the database. So database is the main target for an attacker, like SQL injection kind of attack. Types of web attacks. There are different types of attacks that happen in web applications, such as cross-site scripting, session hijacking, parameter manipulation, buffer overflow, denial of service, and SQL injection. We will more discuss uh, such kind of web attacks in our next lecture. Now, mobile devices. This device, the device which has mobility is called mobile device. Sometimes it is called portable device such as laptop, tablet, smartphone, etc. So this mobility features give the facility to connect the devices in various Wi-Fi or hotspot zones. It may introduce the security risk. Here I am showing a scenario on it. Like here, there is a public place, and it has a free Wi-Fi zone created by a hacker for grabbing the credentials from the user. Yes, this is free Wi-Fi zone, and the hackers is laughing for grabbing the credentials. Finally, the network. A major part of cyber attack is happening due to network vulnerabilities. Only the network security can mitigate the risks of attacks. The further reason for network attacks are default configuration, non-encryption policy, no firewall or security device in the network, use non-encrypted remote logging protocol. So, guys, next time or our next lesson, we will discuss or more detail on the trade vectors. So, today, this is our last slide. In the next, we will discuss furthermore. Thank you.